I'm gonna show you why tutorials don't really teach you how to code. You can't learn how to code just from tutorials. Because when you're following a tutorials, you're missing all the parts that actually give you the learning. For example, someone that comes up with a tutorial is doing something like this. They're coming in and they're gonna build something. Oh, let me an e-com site, an Amazon mockup. So they're doing this. They're like, oh, I'm gonna try this. Let me see. Oh, well, that didn't work. Let me try something else. I'm gonna try this. Maybe it didn't work. Okay, let me try this. Okay. Okay. This seems to work. And after trials and errors, they figure how to do it, how to make everything work. And then they come and have that nicely packaged tutorial that tells you, oh, if you do this, and then you do this, and then you do this, and you just follow along, and you have this perfectly nice tutorial that gives you the end result. But this is not the learning. Any monkey can do this. Just follow along. You do this, and then you do this, and then you do this. The learning is here. The learning is in this, trying to figure out and making a mistake, and now this doesn't work, but this works. Oh, and then all of a sudden you have this. You don't learn from this. This is the result from all of this. This is why tutorial help people get stuck and do 100 tutorials, but then you sit them down and ask them, okay, Bill made this, and they cannot do it. Because all they did is just following along. You do this, and then you do this, and then you do this. So tutorials are pretty good at giving you awareness. You don't know what you don't know. So you watch a tutorial, be like, oh, okay, now you know this is possible. But then you have to come out away from the tutorial and go and build stuff for yourself. Now that you're aware that this type of stuff can be done. And then you do all of this. I was going to do a tutorial on how to do a mockup for the Amazon site, and I noticed this. I was going through all this trial and error to try to figure this out, and at the end I had this, and I was gonna do a tutorial, but I'm like, you don't learn from this. I learned from all this. If I were to follow someone else's tutorials on how to do this, I would not learn. I would just, okay, I did it, and then you leave me alone, okay, redo it. I wouldn't know. I couldn't do it. So tutorials are good to bring awareness of what's possible, but you learn from actually doing all of this, and go build your own tutorial. Go build your own cart. How do you add this product from this page to that page? That's how you learn coding. You don't learn from tutorial.